Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Pumpkin dessert recipe. You can choose a large pumpkin to make dessert. Add fragrant ingredients to the dessert. Vanilla and bay leaf, cloves, and some lemon salt. Cinnamon sticks and lemon peels. .300 grams of sugar for 1 kilogram pumpkin. Wash the pumpkin first. This pumpkin will be 6 kilograms after cutting. 30 people is enough. After washing the pumpkin, cut off the ends and peel. Peel with the help of peeling apparatus or using knife. Remove the white parts with a knife. Divide a pumpkin in half. This core can be planted in the ground immediately. Remove beans. Can be consumed by drying the beans later. Divide a pumpkin into 4. Need to cut the top of the pumpkin with a knife. Prepare large pumpkin slices, they will shrink after cooking. Place sliced pumpkins on the baking sheet. Insert so that there is no space. Measure pumpkin weight to add sugar. There are exactly 6 kilograms of pumpkin in the tray. Need to add 1800 grams of granulated sugar. Add add the crushed lemon salt into the sugar. Add vanilla and stir. Cover the pumpkins with sugar. Add cloves. You can add 2 slices of bread, this is not mandatory but to be fragrant. Close the lid and leave for one night. Wash and clean pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It is quite healthy to consume without processing in this way. Just need to dry and wait a little hot in the oven. One day later, the pumpkin waited sweetly and left its juice. No water is added from the outside, it is completely the juice of the pumpkin. Add the lemon peels and add the tray to the oven. Add to oven by foil or closing with lid. You'll have to cook for 2 hours at 180 degrees. Cook for 1 hour before and check. You can add washed pumpkin seeds to the tray and dry them on the oven. Check the pumpkin slices after 1 hour, needs to turn the other side. Leave it open for the last 10 minutes, let the desserts fry a little. After 2 hours this way will be fully cooked, allow to cool. Baked pumpkin dessert, but it's very important how you serve it. Pumpkin dessert has different serving ways. Most preferred, tahini and pumpkin dessert. Coffee is served in some restaurants. Powdered Turkish coffee with strainer is added on top and sometimes on the bottom. Can be served walnut. The original milk cream or whipped cream. I think milk cream is better. Or simply dessert can be served. My preference is to consume it in a confused way, I prefer to add as much content as possible. A truly wonderful and delicious vegetable dessert. It is easy to make this dessert in winter. Pumpkin is too much, cheap and easy to reach and does not need much sugar. For those who want to try, bon appetit! We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. You can help the videos to enter the trends with the rating button. See you in a new video. Goodbye.